Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ford, and today we're going to talk about the environment in which you eat. What is your environment like when you have a meal? Now, I know, sorry, there in my mouth. We have meals in different spaces in our day-to-day life. Think about the last meal that you had and what was the environment like? Was it calm? Was it inviting? Was it serene? Now, maybe the environment was, but internally, you were experiencing something different. How you experience a meal will affect your health and your digestion. And so if the environment around you is chaotic, if it's divisive, if there's contention, if there's arguing, that's going to affect how you metabolize your food and how your nervous system works to receive that food. And so if you can be in an environment that is conflict filled and then be internally calm, that takes a lot of skills. It takes a lot of distress tolerance. However, it's really hard to be calm in an environment where there's chaos. It's possible and hard. And what is around you, the environment that you're in, it does affect your health. So if your nervous system, your digestion, if those things are something that you're working on, find an environment or create an environment that's calm, inviting, and supportive. Now, those changes might be big, they might take time, or it might be a little shift. It might be a conversation worth having prior to the meal. It might be changing the color of the room, putting a print up, putting music on. It might be simple, but if it's hard and requires movement or movement of a person, be gentle, be kind, and know that the environment that you're in does matter. And you're worth having an environment that's calm. Hope this helps.